Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anisha Kirah binti Ahmad Shukri. I am from class EC 2202B5B. I am one of the team member from Group 8 for subject Mechanics of Solid. For today, we will explain to you about our footbridge for this project. Okay, so before I start for explaining about our footbridge, I will introduce of my team member first. I will start with Shazrul Aiman bin Tarmizi, Muhammad Shazwan bin Muhammad Sukri, and lastly Nurul Aisyah binti Rusli. In this video, we will explain to you about our specifications and result of analysis that we have obtained from software and also manually result for our footbridge. Before that, what is bridge? Bridge is a civil engineering structure which is helping for crossing any obstruction beneath it. So, all the specification or all parameters need to be taken on designing a bridge. The objective of designing our footbridge is to identify and analyze the real structure by using double integration method and movement array method. In designing our bridge, we are using Autodesk Robot Analysis and also Optimal Beam Analysis. We are using this type of bridge is trusses bridge, which is modified trusses. What is truss bridge? Truss bridge are characterized by interconnection of triangular structures, which is give the strength of heavy and dynamic loads for that bridge. So that this is used nowadays as commonly bridge in civil engineering structures. The material using for slab is concrete. The thickness slab is 0.2 meter. The density of steel is 77 kN meter per cube. The surface of slab is 5 kN meter per square, and the material for beam is steel. The size is 200 times 200 mm, and also for the live load we are using pedestrian, oxen and cart and livestock. Okay, after we are using the design load for beam until we get the total load for beam and slab, which is 33.02 kN per meter for UDL, and also we added 14.94 kN for point load at the center of the beam. And then we can get the support, which is 255.12 kN for both support, which is we are using roller support and also pin support. After that, we are find bending stress and also shear stress. We get the answer is 9.57 MPa and also 783.55 MPa, and also the axial of column is 0.03 mm. We are using clear calculator to obtain the bending stress, shear stress, and also the deflection of the beam throughout the software. And load of trusses can obtain in software. The advantages of this truss bridge, which is it is extremely strong when it's the load bearing capacity for this bridge is huge. So the structure effectively manage the conditions of compression and also tension. So they're also using the steel, which is the material is effectively, and also this truss bridge can withstand with extreme condition, where we can found this truss bridge mostly for mountainous area for the railway road. For designing this truss bridge, all the specifications we are referring Eurocode topic that are covered for designing this bridge, which is cover for 3 topics. For the first one is axially load member, and also for stress and strain, and for chapter 3, which is about bending and shear stress, and lastly for topic 4, which is about deflection of the beam. So we are use this topic for designing this bridge to define the analysis of this bridge. To define the deflection by using manually, we are using double integration method to define the deflection by using slope and deflections equations, and also the boundary condition slope equation can be obtained, and we get the answer for this manually equations is negative 815 millimeter. We are also using movement area method to define the deflection of this bridge, and we get difference 824 millimeter, and the error is 1.09 error from manually. Alhamdulillah, we get the answer is definitely same for the software and also the manually answer. Last but not least, we want to thank you a lot for Puan Safarina for giving us opportunity to make this project successfully with your guides. Thank you, madam. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam UiTM di hatiku.